Hey guys, guess what? It is unboxing day for Mercy Tiara Kits. I have the brand new June 2024 Sunshine Kit. It just came, guys. We're in the middle of a thunderstorm, but I have to open this. Partially because I think there's things I'm going to want to fussy cut, and your girl got to get going on it. Okay, so these kits come with the cutest little newsletter. We have a photo of the kit as well as important information. And then what did I read about a new feature in our store aimed at reducing carbon footprint? For every sale we know. Oh, how you guys got to get it to read it. We have a color palette, which is great if you like to paint and stamp and all that kind of thing. You've got an Insta palette. You can just grab your goodies. Journaling prompts, community center. Nice double page. Ooh, look what Gia did. She's been everywhere lately. I don't know what's going on with that, but I've seen that girl everywhere. A kit planning tool. So there's like products used in this kit that speak to me. Don't know yet. I must figure it out. Stories, photos, techniques. So there's all kinds of ways you can plan, as well as little areas to do sketching, journaling. There are downloads. So there's the, oh shoot, I have to pick them up from Staples. So you've got like labels that, and it's a 2-pager, totally match the kit. I sent them to Staples and they told me they're ready. And there's also cut files, which, guys, I always cut them out and I always get so excited that I forget to use them. We have to try to use them. Very important because they're fabulous. Okay, so we have that. I've got my little inventory piece of information, and then it comes beautifully packaged every time. I mean, this came from like a whole different country. Well, the country is like less than an hour from me, but it sounds fancy. And it comes so quick in a very nice, sturdy box. Okay, let's get these goodies out and see what we have. Ooh, there are goodies. Good goodies. Okay, so like I said, this one is called the Sunshine Kit. I tend to like to use this stuff in some mixed media work, so we hold on to that for sure. All right, so let me see the what's what main kit. And she's always so great. They are. It reads main kit in that corner. Then we've got our paper pack add-on. You have full information, cardstock add-on. And then this is the embellishment add-on, and they all read Sunshine Kit. We have the cutest little fox with a crown. Hello. Hi. Okay, so let me get these things all situated right quick. And so let's see what we have. Let's put the goodies aside and look at the pattern papers. Now, guys, I always get the pattern paper add-on. I shouldn't say that. When it's available, I get the pattern paper add-on. So I'm going to show you both sides of them, but this is what comes in the main kit, and the add-on kit is totally separate. Okay, our first piece of paper. Ooh, I have plans. Let me get my scissors. Wow, okay. This is from Echo Park, My Best Life, and it's called My Best Flowers. This side has this beautiful lipstick pink with itty-bitty little tiny hearts. So cute. And then the other side features a bright white background with a gorgeous color palette of florals, including navy. We've got navy and deep orange and corally kind of colors, lipstick pink, petal pink. I mean, just all of it. Tulip pink. Yeah, I can go off on the pinks. So we have that. Oops, we don't want to spill our Starbies. We're just trying to move things to the side. Hold on. Okay. The next one we have, ooh, it looks like it's from the same collection. Gorgeous tone on tone again. This is called 4x4 journaling cards. Echo Park, My Best Life. Nice. And, oh, what am I doing? I can show you the other side. I know how to do that. So 4x4 journaling cards clearly are 4x4. Perfect. So let's see what we have. We've got really nice sentiments with this bold font. I love the multi font. I love what we have going so far. We've got a fun little Stanley there. Today's a great day. A nice, ooh, that wants to be a shaker pocket, little journaling spot, some great pieces I would totally fussy cut with title pieces, little like bulldog clips that I call mouse purses. Great stuff. I mean, guys, there's so much to fussy cut just right here. Eek! Can't wait. Okay, the next piece of paper, same collection. It is called Happy Little Flowers. It's like happy little trees, but they're happy little flowers. Tone on tone, gorgeous mid-tone pink plaid. I love. And then the flip side, it is a navy background with a much tighter floral kind of a print, and it is pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm starting to shake or shimmy them in because I know that we get so many kit or papers with these kits. The next one, same collection again, tone on tone pink. The hearts are spread out and very organized and so pretty. And then the flip side to that is this right here. Look at how stinking cute. Baby blue background, and then the most gorgeous florals. There's navy, there's all of those pink tones and coral and gorgeous greens and teal and happiness. Okay, next. You guys, there is vellum, and it's from Doodlebug, and it's like embossed, guys. Do you see that? They look like, it's called Sprinkle Shapes Vellum, and this is called Raindrops. Oh my goodness. This is why you need the pattern paper kit, the add-on, because you get to. That is why, oh my gosh, and it's bumpy, and it feels so cool. And it's got like this, the best little shine. Yep, that's going to be on everything. All of the things. All right, so our next piece of paper, ooh, it's from Bella Boulevard, Just Because, and it is a great day. Guys, look at the Happy Bella colors. I love Bella. I just love Bella. Literally very top of my list for manufacturers. Love it. Okay, we have got the cutest little rainbows and clouds and all of the good. I can't wait. I can't wait. And the flip side to that is a tone on tone. We've got a whole theme going here. Gorgeous tone on tone turquoisey aqua happiness. And the next piece of paper, ooh, it's from Pink Fresh Studio, Picture Perfect. This one's called Just For You. Guys, look at that cool geometric pattern. It is gorgeous and stunning, and a crisp white background, chartreuse and pink and teal. That is awesome sauce. And then the next side, the back side to that, it is a tone on tone minty stripe. Not tone on tone, it's mint and white. Two different sizes of stripes, and it's rather a relaxed piece of paper after all of this hubbub. Okay, next piece of paper, also from Pink Fresh, Just Perfect. Write your story. And guys, look at how stunningly gorgeous and perfect this piece of paper is. So I'm turning it like this because I put my stripes on the horizontal, but it's so painty and gorgeous and pretty, so pretty. Let's see, do I have room? Yeah, let's go like this. We can start a new one. And then the back, ooh, the backside to that, it's this really great seafoamy mint, right? Background, but then the print is these very large roses, and they're imperfectly scuffy happy. So beautiful. And then the next piece of paper is this one here from Pink Fresh as well. And you guys, it's from that collection. Let's just pretend it's not half dark in this room, but y'all, so nifty. Okay, so look at the tones of the pinks coming in this way. And then we've got these gorgeous orangey, like terracottas, and then the yellows coming in. Yum. I have such a plan for that already. And then the flip side, it's all kinds of sweet wordy bits, a freshly made bed, a summer breeze, birds chirping, singing along to your favorite song, good hair days. Y'all, they had me at dog snuggles. Dog snuggles. So receiving a compliment, that's super cute. And then the last piece of paper, it is Doodlebug Fairy Garden Be Happy. Look at the happy little bees. He's so sweet. So happy little bees. Some have their eyes open. Some are kind of closed and cute with the sweetest little cheeks on the bees. Who knew that bee cheeks were so cute? And then the flip side, it's a much deeper, well, it's in the color of the bee. On a honeycomb pattern, it is so stinking cute. tone on tone. So let's take a look at the cardstock. Now the first cardstock that we have, it is called Arctic. It is textured. It's like absolutely, for me, crayon blue. Absolutely right there. Such a gorgeous tone. Ooh. And then this is smoky. So it's a gray. It's textured. But I'm telling you guys, it has got a sip of lavender in it. Ooh, I love that. Oh, that's a gorgeous neutral. Then our next one, it is a pinky peachy tone called Blossom. Y'all, the cardstock kit this month, it is on point. And then lastly, I have got 2 pieces of Avalanche by Basil gorgeous cardstock. So let's see what is in the embellishment kit. Okay, the first thing is there's Dina Wakley Media chipboard shapes. Oh, there's a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a bunch of chipboard feathers. Very interesting. And I think, was this a feather? Yeah, this wax seal is a feather. So very cute. Ooh, Pink Fresh Studio Garden Bouquet matte gold enamel dots. You guys, look at them all. Okay, there's 84 pieces, matte gold enamel dots all day. Oh, and now we've got some metallic gold. I'm trying to see. Is it 2? Might be 2. You never know with these things. We have a couple of doilies. It feels like there's 3 right here. It feels like this one's thicker, but who knows? So we've got doilies. And then we have, sorry, I was trying to show off something. Oh, Pink Fresh Studio. Okay, guys, look at these colors. So there's a bazillion of them, right? This color story is just stunning. And then the flip side, it's like the palest, kind of like an orchid, almost like tan color. And then the really bright pink, the yellow. This side, we have got cornflower blue and mint and indigo and happiness. Ooh, we're gonna open this last. So from My Best Life Echo Park, guys, it's literally so dark outside with this storm. Thank you for bearing with me. We have got all of these chipboard pieces. There are banners. Look at a James Bond car. Oh, a cowboy boot. Gym shoes. We've got a little bag there. My Best Life Sparkle and Shine. Guys, it is so cute. Look at the Polaroid. Cute. And then finally, we have got ourselves this set of chipboard frames. Hold on. This set of frames and tags. Oh, let me show you what they look like if you don't like to watch the complete unboxing. Ta-da! Okay. I love you with my whole heart. Cute. Ooh, cute little frame. Thank my lucky stars. Your smile. Sunshine. Look at the double font. Cute. We have got this piece, a nice little journaling spot. Let's do this. It's like some kind of paddle ball. Hip, hip, hooray. Hello. Love the double font. I know I've said it before. I just love it. Happy little moments, like happy little trees. Always chase your dreams. You are magic. Good times ahead. I love your smile. It looks great on you. And guys, all of these are just, you just pop them right out. Friend. Chase your dreams. Oh, what a beautiful day. This is Chase Your Dreams. Tone on tone, cute. Love you forever. Oh, a nice little blue heart. Always dream. Cute little tags. We've got it in tone on tone blue, orange, and deep pink. Life with you is wonderful. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Sparkle and shine. Stay magical. And finally, a little more kindness. So guys, so many goodies here. I've got the main kit, the paper add-on, the cardstock add-on, and the embellishment kit, which is an add-on. I'm going to have all the links down below where you can get your hands on the kit, where you can join the face group, all that good stuff. And guys, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.